job! Ang galing! What's that? What's that? Square? Very good. What's that? No. Wow, circulary. What's that? Hexagon. Oh no, what's that? Yes, very good. Good job. High five to teacher. High five.
High five, high five,
Very
high five.
good. Oh, this one, new toy. New toy. New toy.
Oh, next.
Oh, new toy naman.
Alisa, pyramid na lang.
Pyramid na lang po. Oh, let's do a pyramid. Oh, copy mo si teacher. Oh, si Mami din. Si Mami din to. Oh, ito kay Tenten. Ito kay teacher. Oh, look mo si Mami tsaka si teacher. You do this. 10. 10, look oh. 1, 2, 3. Wow, pyramid. Oh, you make a pyramid.
Kaya,
Si Mami. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yan ang problema.
Alisa, librotic na ako.
Oh, this one. This
Wow!
one, what's this?
What's that? What's that?
this? 10, what's this? Oh, what's this one? Oh, yeah, this one. What's this? What's this? Oh, how about this? What? Oh, where's the car? Where's the car? 10, where's the car? You point, where's the car? Ay, wait, tapos na yan. Tapos na yung shape. Oh, how about this one? Ito po, oh. Sea creatures. Animals.
Ito, ano to?
What's
Ano
this?
to? Tinrick ako nito dati. Sabi ko fish. Sabi niya shark daw.
Oh, this one, oh, what's this? Oh, what's this?
Wow!
What's that? What is this? Mm.
Gusto talaga yung shape.
Finish ka na dyan po eh.
Book daw muna, read mo na rin.
Muna.
What's this? What's that? What is that?
Nasa mo dyan, ayaw niyo basahin.
Basa mo na. Basa na. Already this na. Pakita mami. Basa na mami.
What's that? What's this?
Shape siya nag-ano.
Pero pagka siya lang, ginagawa niya.
Opo.
Isa. Pero pagka yung kayo na magpapagawa,
Wala. Pag
Opo.
talagang kursunado niya doon, talagang kaya nga niya magpasadok ng ano eh, sentence doon eh. Talagang
yes.
nagulat ako.
Wow, thank you. Ay, finish na yun.
Kaso yung ganyan na lang. Hirap talaga. Kontrolin.
What's that? Oh, look, oh, where's the apple? Where's the apple? Where's
Yeah.
banana? Where's banana? Oh, huh? What's that? What's that? Look, oh, look. What's this? Hmm? Oh, this one. What's this? What's this? And then, what's this? Oh, look, look. Oh. Can you point to teacher? Where's the corn? Corn. Where's the corn? Corn.
Corn daw,
Oh,
saan?
where's the corn? Saan yung corn? And then, where's the corn? Here, oh, where's the corn? Teacher. Oh, what's that? Oh no, what's this? Oh, what's that? What is this?
iba yung tawa niya.
Kaya nga po eh. Puno.
Pag masaya sa dok. So, pag mag-isa lang siya, binabasa yun talaga. Dok, maano ka talaga, magugulat ka. Pero pag tinuruan mo, wala.
Ay, binabasa niya na po. Penguin.
Ayan,
Starfish.
penguin, starfish. So funny.
Ayaw niya po kasi yung tinuturo siya eh.
What's that? Ball? Or this one, oh?
Sige. Balikan ito gawin natin ha. By next Friday.